Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page Design Empire. Today we will learn how to old document restoration using Adobe Photoshop tool. We will back after intro. First of all, I gonna open a image. Then I will go select menu, click color range and fuzziness range increase 200%. Click background and OK. Then we will go color panel. Select white color. Press OK. Alter backspace. Ctrl D. Deselect. Again we will go select menu. Color range. Click text color. Also fuzziness 200%. OK. Then we will go color menu. Click black color. OK. Alter backspace. Ctrl deselect. Then we will select brush tool. Remove the stain. Thanks for watching.